Monday, December 30th. We're out here at Gulf Outlet Marina. We're gonna head out to the MRGO. Today's conditions, we got a south to southwest wind, 3 to 7 miles an hour this morning, building up this afternoon to about 11 to 12 miles an hour this afternoon. We've got a tidal coefficient of 75. We got a high tide. It was at 12:30 this morning, falling all the way to this afternoon till 12:20 tonight. We got fish bite. It's high activity today. We got a minor fish bite at 6:30 to 7:30, then a major fish bite from 11:30 to 1:30. So stay tuned. See how we do this morning. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and please hit that thumbs up button. As we're back along the rocks again this morning, we're going to start off with the same twitch bait we started off with last time and give it a try and see how it goes. Stay tuned. All right, stay hooked up, baby. Stay hooked up.
642, 644. I missed 2 already. We just got one first.
First fish this morning. Nice one, about a 17. All right, guys, check out the sunrise. Looks good, beautiful this morning. Guys, hooked up on the second one here. Second one, that's a beauty. It's about 18 and a half. Feels like a good one. Looks like a good one, boss. Oh, there, that's a nice one. Let's check that baby out. That's a good 20 and a half. Beautiful fish. Got hooked up another one here. Damn, another horse. Uh-oh. This boss's next one, about another 19.
Pretty. Fish of the day right there. Fish of the day.
Boss man done hooked up. See what you got, boss. Oh, nice trout, nice trout. Holy shit. Hey guys, that's boss's next one there. About a 19 and a half. Beautiful trout. You can't see this, but these rocks look almost like the trestles. I mean, for as far down as you can see boats to the left. For as far down as you can see boats to the right. There's a good 25, 30 boats out here right now. Guys, when I hooked into one, finally. Switched up baits a little bit.
Come on, man. Yeah, pretty one.
Switched up.
Man. Pretty. Get him in. Yes, sir. That's what it's all about.
A nice one, about a 19. He was calling a Bill Lewis scope stick, green. Hooked into another one here. From underneath the boat, come on.
Oh yeah, pretty.
I like that. Self-release, boy, that works. All right, guys. Nice trout. All right, guys, we just hooked into one. Oh, it's a flounder. Huh?
Bad news.
Damn. A flounder on this? I ain't never seen that. On the twitch bait. Finally hooked up something. He's sleeping for a while there. Looks like he's got something nice.
Oh, sleeping. Caught me sleeping. One time, baby. Whoa.
Nice trout. Nice one, boss.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Pretty trout, boss.
How does Chad do that?
Hooked into one here. What's we got, boss?
How do you yell bucket? Oh, got off.
He got off?
Pulled off, yeah.
All right, boss. Hooked up on one here. He got off too.
I am, man.
All right, guys, we got another one here.
Ain't no little. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, Lord of beast. Get that beast in here. Ooh. That's 3 of them in there.
That's a big son of a bitch there. All right, guys, finally hooked into another one here. See if we can get him in the boat. Whoa. I don't know if I'm gonna get him in the boat or not. Let's. Pretty fish, about a 19. It's been a while. Twitch bait kind of slowed down, so many boats you can't move around too much to kind of work the shoreline. So I decided to switch over to a 3/8 ounce death grip jig head with a green hornet. Bouncing it off the bottom slow. We're fishing in about 8 to 10 feet of water. He's a fish, yeah. Yeah.
Like you might make the box. Like you might make the box.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Big whitey.
Big white?
Trolling the Mr. Go. Another whitey. That's a speck. Finally hooked into one here. Doesn't feel like too much, but it's a fish. We're trolling in what, 19 feet of water, you said, boss? 17 feet of water. Let's see what we got here. What we got? Okay. Yep, a little speck.
Speck?
No, I think he's still on there. I got him, yeah. Got another one, guys. Doesn't feel like much again. Whoa, what do you got?
Trout?
Yeah, look, little speck. That's the smallest one yet today, guys. About 10 inches. Ah, he's a little bigger. I got the Golf Outlet Marina. About 12:30, 12:20, 12:30. Fish bite was pretty good earlier, and it just got sporadic as the day got older. We wind up with, I believe, 14 really nice trout, 2 smaller trout, 20 total trout, 4 releases, and we missed about 6. Hooked, and then they got off, and I missed a real big one at the boat. Tried to hoist them over, and drag slipped on and he got off. So anyway, it was a pretty good day. That wind's done picked up to about 10 to 12 right now. If you like these videos, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button so we keep them coming. Thank you.